And we're pretty fortunate here in Memphis city limits where we only saw minor damage, a few trees down, crushing some fences, and putting some strain on pocketbooks. They give this Southwest Memphis neighborhood its character.
I love trees.
But Linda White can appreciate them more when they're not keeling over in her neighbor's yard.
I was in the kitchen cooking yesterday, and all of a sudden I heard this cracking. I was like, what was that?
It was this tree, uprooted by storms and sent tumbling down, demolishing this fence on its way to the ground.
We were shocked to see it.
Lorraine Roan is taking in the damage caused by a different tree on Doubletree Cove. This tree limb snapped sometime overnight Monday, it too crushing whatever lay in its path.
We was just in shock because, like I said, we didn't hear it. We didn't hear any sounds or anything.
But in Marshall County around lunchtime, the sounds were unmistakable.
First it would just come, also you just seen just...
High winds, possibly from a tornado, ripped shingles from roofs and had trees falling like dominoes in the small community of Victoria. Tree expert Bill Jurgen says all of today's rain is only making these scenes more likely.
It saturates the ground gets really soft, and when you have a big healthy tree, it's liable to uproot from the wind.
Jurgen says decaying trees are at greatest risk, something you can easily determine by looking at the roots.
Where you look at a tree where the roots start curving and then they stop abruptly, that's a sign of decay in many cases.
And a sign in most cases that it's time to remove that tree.
Please, anybody that can help just trim the trees, get the limbs